for next 24 hours I predict even more huge heavy rains and floods and huge snowstorms. Yes, we had this very strong dark energy activation. It was 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th January 2026. So it was about 1 week ago. And then Earth inside pressure getting bigger and they're pushing out like gas molecules and water molecules a lot. And now there is already water which can come in down. And when we have this new moon, Earth, Moon and Sun, same time there is Mars, Mercury and Venus about behind Sun. So I think there's coming even more these kind of huge heavy rains and floods and snowstorms. So be ready, be careful, be safe. Cheers!